Hey, check this out. Today we're looking at the Protimeter MMS3 restoration kit. This moisture meter kit has everything you need as a restoration technician. It's a complete moisture measurement system that can measure moisture both invasively and non-invasively, as well as capture key psychometric data to assist you with your work. In this video, we'll go over its features, what comes in the kit, and how it stacks up against the competition. If you're looking to skip ahead, video chapters are available, and they're also listed in the description below. Let's dive into the features of the MMS3. This moisture meter offers three main functions. First, it's invasive moisture testing, whether through connected electrodes or built-in pins, measures the electrical resistance of the material between the pins. It provides readings in percentage moisture content or percentage WME, which is ideal for non-conductive materials like wood, plaster, and more. Second, the non-invasive function. Using the back of the meter, it generates radio frequencies that penetrate the surface. The meter detects the resulting electromagnetic field, giving you a relative reading between 60 and 999. Third, the MMS3 includes hygrometry and psychometric capabilities. It comes with a detachable humidity sensor that measures relative humidity, temperature, vapor pressure, and calculates dew point and grams per kilogram. Plus, it features a laser thermometer to measure surface temperature and determine proximity to dew point. On top of all that, the MMS3 includes wireless Bluetooth functionality. You can pair it with your phone to display readings in real time, making it easier to track your data. Let's look at what's included. This restoration kit comes in a plastic but sturdy hard carry case with black notches that keep it locked closed. Opening it reveals custom foam inserts that keep all of its contents snugly fit inside, avoiding rattling contents and items falling out when opening. Besides the meter itself, it also comes with a replaceable humidity and temperature sensor that sits outside the meter. A hammer probe electrode is also included, which is made of solid metal weighing approximately 2 kilograms that facilitate a smooth hammer action, making it easy to drive pins into various materials and surfaces. It comes with a low-profile invasive probe as well for quick invasive reading and comes with a cap. Lastly, the kit also comes with replacement pins, including a 5-inch set for deep penetration, as well as a quick start guide.
Hey, it's Glenn here. I just want to talk about why I find the MMS3 to be a solid meter.
In comparison to other meters in the field, the MMS3 has its advantages. So one great thing about this meter is that it has this custom menu. Let me pull it up. So I've just gone to the main menu. I'll go to Psychometrics and I'll just hit this custom. Here it can show a screen of 4 different measurements. You can customize that by going into settings, I believe. Settings and hitting that custom there. It gives you a list of all the measurements that you can include in that menu. So for now, I've selected RH, temperature, dew point, and vapor pressure. But let's say I go down to vapor pressure, I turn that off, and I put on grams per kilogram. I can hit that, I press back, and now I'll go to Psychometrics and hit custom. And here you go, I have all the 4 measurements that I've shown all on one screen, which is really cool because, like, if you're a technician on the job, you want to get quick measurements as quickly as you can because you've got to keep moving and take those measurements across the area.
I also wanted to point out its casing.
The casing is pretty good for a meter. Some meters, I won't mention them by name, they have internal electronics that can sort of be dislodged if dropped, but this is all sort of tightly packed and durable that while I don't recommend trying to drop it on purpose, I have more confidence in its casing than other meters that I know of. Also, another thing I like about this is just its grip. You can hold it very easily in the palm of your hand. Some meters, I won't name what, they're just kind of hard to hold, but this is so very easy. You even got a strap so that you don't accidentally drop it. Another thing I like about this meter is that it has the green, yellow, and red screens to make it easy to tell if it's dry, wet, or somewhere in between if it's at risk. So if you hit the psychometrics, pinless, and you can just see it in a hand. Obviously it's going to read red as wet, but I'll pull my hand off a bit so you can see that this would mean that it's dry. And then somewhere, if I can get it just to hit yellow, that would be at risk. And that's just really easy to tell, especially if you're trying to talk to a client to show them what is considered wet. The screen's gonna communicate that pretty easily. Here at Agile Equipment, we aim to stock everything you need as a restorer. You can find the MMS3 restoration kit on our website, and you can check out our demo model in the showroom if you want. We also sell safety supplies, chemicals, and equipment. We also sell pre-owned stock and offer hire as well. Feel free to message us online, call us, or visit us here in the Brisbane showroom. Thanks for watching.